Hey, hola, ¿qué tal? How are you doing? This video is for you if you're planning to travel to Madrid for a week for the first time. You don't know how you arrange the trip, you're just so excited. But I would like to share you my experience for a week in Madrid, as well as I'm giving you the trip how to use the public transportation if you don't know how to use this, and of course how to enjoy the delicious Spanish food with the locals. Okay, my bags are packed here. Are you ready to follow my journey? Vamos! Madrid Barajas Adolfo Suarez Airport. This airport is quite big and it has 3 terminals. The day I arrived in Madrid, the taxi drivers were on strike, so I need to find out how to get to my hotel apartment with the public transportation. You can of course get all the information you need at the tourist information, how to get the ticket, how to get the map, where is the metro station, etc. So here I am waiting for the metro to arrive, and I'm looking so much forward to getting into my hotel apartment. Finally at the apartment. This is a standard apartment with a fully equipped kitchen, a good internet connection, a clean bathroom with separate living room. The location of the apartment is very central, where I can find almost everything I need, walking distance. First day arriving here, I tried to get to know the city and exploring a little bit. This city really knows how to live. So my first impression of arriving here is that everything is going too fast and it has busy traffic. I should not give in to this feeling though, as the people here are full of life and love being outdoors. As the result, the street always vibrant and energetic like many other cities in Spain. Today I'm exploring Plaza Mayor. It is known as the best meeting place for the people in Madrid. I was so lucky because in my trip in Madrid this time I could witness the celebration of 400 years Plaza Mayor. I made a special video by the way for this event. You can open the link on the video description if you want to see the 400 year celebration of Plaza Mayor, okay? Next, heading for Plaza de Oriente. This is one of the most famous tourist attractions in Madrid. And this is Spain's premier opera house, which is located between Plaza de Isabel II and Plaza de Oriente. On the third day, I visited Almudena Cathedral, a church in Madrid, Spain, and visited also the cathedral's museum. At a height of over 70 meters, the dome offers stunning views over the royal palace. It is very beautiful. Day 4, time to explore street art. This is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Madrid. It is La Latina area. And today is Sunday. El Resto Flea Market is the most famous of markets in Madrid. It takes place not far from La Latina area and is always full of people to find the best deals of jewelry, furniture, clothing, antiques, etc. Shopping time! From a cosmopolitan avenue, there are plenty of shops in Gran Via area from where you can do shopping. And then heading towards Puerta del Sol, the big clock in the top of the city hall is here. This is the clock which announces the beginning of the new year. And then one of Spain's most iconic image, Tío Pepe, which has stood since 1936. And then just below the clock building, there is signal in the floor showing the kilometer 0. It is said that if you want to return to Madrid again, you should step over this signal. I take this day to appreciate the world's finest art museums, the Prado and the Reina Sofia. Even if you're not much of an art, you'll be able to appreciate this incredible quality of the collections at the museums. You can also get some fresh air after visiting museum at Retiro Park Green Space, enjoying a beautiful lake with Spanish guitar player inside the park. Closing the day watching flamenco performance. To be honest, this is not really my thing, and the performance takes 1 hour, but for me, watching it for 10 minutes is, I think, more than enough. My time in Madrid is almost over. I've shared so many iconic tourism destinations in Madrid, but seems like something missing here. Yes, of course, food and football, or football and food. I don't know which one is more important, but of course this is important in Spain. But before getting into there, I'd like to share to you how to use the public transportation here, because this is important, especially for you that you want to avoid using taxi all the time during the trip. So how to use the public transportation in Madrid. Traveling in Madrid, I highly recommend using metro of getting around the city. Here are some tips for you. First, you need to have the pocket map and bring it everywhere you go in the city. Read carefully the routes to commute you from one area to the others. Each line has different color to make it easy to understand the map. Second, you should buy this card, Tarjeta Transporte Público, available at all automatic ticket machines at Metro de Madrid. It costs only €2.50 per card. And for one trip ticket costs €1.50, or depends on the fare zones. You can reload it, combines 10 trips tickets, and it's very friendly use, make it one of the cheapest accessible public transport systems in Europe. You know already, typical local dishes in Madrid are croquetas, paella, huevos rotos, bocadilla de calamares, chipirones, patata bravas, tortilla de patatas, jamón serrano, and of course, the famous tapas or pincho. Mercado San Miguel, in my opinion, is the best place to go having good foods. Located just next to Plaza Mayor, this is a heaven of foods. Everything in the menu is typical Spanish. Finishing the night with chocolate and churros at Chocolateria San Ginés, typical hot chocolate with churros from Madrid. It's open 24 hours a day, so it is a popular place for a late night snack. Spain wines of San Martín de Valdeiglesias, Colmenar de Oreja, and Arganda. You can find very expensive wines here. Prices is around €1,000 until €5,000 per bottle. This is one of my favorite days here. Tour the Estadio Santiago Bernabéu, a truly iconic football stadium in Madrid, Spain, and this is a must for any football fan. First, you need to get the tour ticket at the tickets office. You have to pay 25 each, plus extra €5 for an audio tour. That will take you from the very top of the stadium all the way down and around the full pitch. The stadium is 5 levels, and you get to walk through the museum that has remarkable history on all the players that played for the team throughout the years. This tour took around 1.5 hours, with a chance to look around the office store, of course, and shopping the merchandise of Madrid football team. It's time to say goodbye to Madrid. I enjoyed almost everything: the food, the locals, the beautiful history, art, and tourism destination, and everything. 2 tips I would like to give to you before I close this video. First, just take your time to plan your trip. It's gonna be better because Madrid has a lot to offer. And the second one is just watch your belonging, because it's not gonna be funny if you lose something during your trip, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check my other videos of my travels and everything. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and hasta luego. Bye!